Are we ready?
Can we do a little intro?
Today we are going looking for Reishi. That's the only thing we're gonna find it. Today.
With Nabe, Mike, and Cindy from Part-Time Permies.
And we are located in Alaska.
Yes.
No, we're not.
No, we're in Korea.
We're in Korea.
Korea.
That's right, Korean. Look at these wonderful Korean pines.
Yeah.
Yup, all these Korean pines.
We're in Little Korea.
Little Korea.
It's our secret location, no telling. Sorry, guys.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh my gosh. We didn't really mean to go off-roading.
Well,
It's technically
it
not
is a
off-road.
Honda. We are in a Honda, so.
Yeah, we went to Korea.
Oh. Okay.
Korean pines.
Quiet
We got
now.
a skinny little car.
Yeah, all these pine, I think it's just.
Well, now that we're off the dust, I don't know why we're sitting in here with air conditioning.
Oh, we got air on it? No wonder I thought it was comfortable.
I know. Well, it's actually cool. There hasn't been anybody down here in a while because there's barely tire.
I think this is the new road they just made not long ago. It's just getting smaller. Which
Two of
way
these
to
are go that way.
Yeah, we're going this way.
We're like 1, 2, 3
Might
choices.
have been down there. And then this looks like it's a cut.
Oh boy,
This is bigger again.
this is way
And this is a
too many
road.
splits.
Well, you could go on a little bigger road if you want. Or you could go straight.
Sign.
We'll go this
Oh,
way.
we got the big ones.
We're done with the little
We're
roads.
done with the
I didn't
little
bring my
road.
chainsaw.
That's a good idea. Bring
Well,
a
when you get
chainsaw.
serious, you
We'll
gotta
come
bring your
here.
chainsaw.
It might still be burning.
Still burning, maybe.
No, it feels like I can feel heat from this.
Yeah.
It feels like it's still hot.
Yeah, it is. Exactly.
This is like last day.
Like yesterday they burned it.
It's a pear tree. It's still alive.
Yeah, it is still alive. It missed the burn.
Yeah, well the grasses didn't burn hot enough to damage the tree.
Yeah, there's going to be mushrooms here.
Yeah.
It's
Now
all
they
controlled
need is
burnout.
rain here.
Burnout and apple trees.
And it's old. Also.
Yeah, that's an old
We
one.
have to go around that way, go up.
Go up and back down.
Usually around the bottom.
We're on the bottom of these big. Okay.
Whoa. I think that's locust. Looks like locust.
That one.
It's got barbs on it. I see that.
Oh God, it's a locust. Oh, that hurts.
Machete.
Or you just crash that way.
Hey!
I went that way. There's no thorns. They're only downed.
Ow! It's getting me. Find it.
A morel or something.
Yeah.
So that's the right tree for a morel.
Elm tree. Be careful here. No, that's dead. So
Look
always
around the bottom
down
of that.
the bottom.
What happens if I move this out of the way?
Look on the other side.
Nope.
That's a good one. Let me see.
I will
What's
go.
in the corner over there?
bottom.
What's this?
That's it.
That's it.
You found it.
Wait. Let me see it. Let me see.
There's a couple and look,
Oh yeah.
old one.
Oh, that's Reishi.
it's an older one that
that's an
hasn't
old
really
one.
revived yet, but
Watch this.
Stuff underneath.
Yes. It's one right here. Something's here.
Oh, got some over there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Mike, look in that side.
Yeah. Thorns, lots of rose.
Yeah,
something.
Reishi's. This is the way they do.
That's Reishi.
Nope, it's not Reishi.
No,
Nope.
it looks like a big oyster.
No, it's that otter skunk.
No, I mean,
You can
I'm
use.
talking about the sea animal, not the.
You can use
mushroom,
this
but
one
yeah,
too for
that's an otter skunk.
medicinal.
it looks actually not like an oil. It looks like a scallop shell. Yeah, that's a nice clean one on the bottom.
Yeah, it's a nice conch. Say hi.
She's gonna write not Reishi.
Hi.
Here, we use that too
We
for tea.
Use the conch for tea?
Yeah. Like a bean sprout. You see? It's got more stems.
Okay. Got more stems. It's got little like.
Just by looking at top part, it looks like Reishi. Ouch! Ah!
Hasn't
I
revived.
like it.
You like
it hasn't
that?
revived yet for.
When this stem right here, I like it. Sometimes you find no stem, just this part.
Okay.
But I like the one.
So it's like a little paddle.
Yeah.
Well, I call it like bean sprout. If you can get in
out to that
there,
one. Yep.
You water fruits. I don't know
How deep is
far
it?
That water is.
If we quicksand
Careful now. If it's not quicksand.
It doesn't seem to be dropping off very fast.
No, it's
Like
mucky,
As long as it's not.
but where it gets in here, we can't see.
This water is gone. Then you can look for it. But we don't have time.
It's all right. We're all busy.
It gets deep right through, a little bit deeper.
Go a little further. Here's a branch.
Oh,
Be careful of the holes, yes. I'm not sure if I could go to the other side because I think it's going to get deeper over there.
I'm gonna make it around, but
I don't.
I'm not.
you don't see anything in the front,
No.
lift the bark off.
Yeah, that stuff down there.
End of the bark.
If you could reach through all the prickers that are right there,
There's roses or something.
or yeah, there's a bunch down here too. Oh, don't bend my knee. Water goes in the boot.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my goodness.
Keep the camera out of the water.
Camera's out of the water.
In the water now.
I'm about 1.5 inches
Water.
above water.
Get the camera wet. Just don't get wet.
Ah, prickers.
Too early yet.
I know.
Don't move that branch. Trying to get the pricker off me.
Say, woman, stay here with me.
Yeah, there's your light. Well, I have confirmed that my waterproof boots are still waterproof.
You're headed there. I'll head over here. Whoa, those are all prickly. Huh.
Whoa.
That is a thicket
are-
of thicket of.
Wild black raspberry.
Big stuff on the back here.
Yeah, this one has some stuff on it.
Some big stuff.
I just want you to find some.
This looks like a Reishi. This looks like a good one.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
And this one.
Yep.
And, oh, that's a nice
That's
one.
what I'm saying. I'm trying to make
Okay, go
a
ahead.
picture of it.
Look at that. That's it.
And here's another one.
This one is.
All right, look at these.
Is that?
It's not Reishi.
No.
No, and I think that's what I was.
That one's too old. Take it back. This is the other skunk. You
Okay.
can use
Look
this
at
one.
these. That was the little dried up stuff I got over there.
And they're really orange in the middle.
Yeah,
No.
they're very
Not it.
yellow, sulfur.
No.
That's,
We're not having any luck. And you know how much more to go? We gotta go around.
Here, this is a pretty
thing.
decent size. It's a decent sized lake.
Yes.
Yeah, as
boot sucking right there, fine.
that spice bush in bloom. You scratch it and you smell it. And you can smell it spicy. Oh, this side, this side, this side. Look, look, look.
So there you go. That's a real one.
Perfect.
There's Reishi.
That's a nice. That's a fresh. That's a beautiful one.
It's got a little bit of a bug bitten or something, but not much. One.
Yeah, is that good?
No, it's old. Oh, down here, maybe.
Usually they follow the roots and grow.
Is that something growing? What is that?
Yeah, that is the mushroom too.
Find some.
Check this pretty carefully, all the root lines. 'Cause
This one, check all the
there's a
roots.
few.
Move that one. Right there.
Here's another dried one.
Oh, that one's okay.
Is it?
Yes.
That's pretty
Wait a
bad.
minute.
Look at that. No, that's not good.
Okay, that's no good.
That one's
In
no
the
good.
back is all
Something was eating it up. Oh, right here. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a beautiful one. Yep. Oh, that's the best one yet.
Yeah, right down in that hole. You got the bugs coming out of the water or the thorns coming off the land? You found one?
Oh, I'm sorry. I got you. Sorry, I clipped you. I know that.
I think this is Reishi.
Yeah, that is.
This is nice and soft.
That is. That's a good reishi.
There's two.
Just off the water.
This one's dry. This one's not.
Not the dryer anyway.
This is nice and soft.
You okay?
Basket, give up.
Oh no.
We don't even have that much stuff in there.
Oh boy.
Cheap basket, darn it.
Basket never lasts forever.
This is fresh. No, maybe
Yeah.
not.
When there's a big tree like this,
Looks fresh. That
This
looks
is
fresh.
fresher.
Oh.
Look, there you go. Look, look, look.
Oh my gosh, it's cranes.
Two of them. They're probably. Yeah, there's a baby.
They're herons. They're great blue herons.
I heard them earlier, but.
Stop it. There's baby in there, that's why.
Darn it.
Look at the thing growing.
Where the babies are.
Yeah,
Are they
that's
swimming
why
like
they're
ducks?
not moving. Oh, yeah.
Where are those ducks? There's two of them.
Mine. They're everywhere.
Sorry.
Sorry, we're not going to bother you.
Right down there.
That's a nice fresh.
That's fresh
Very
and
fresh.
wet. And
There's a baby one.
baby one. And hold on.
Okay.
I see right.
No.
No.
That's a baby. Leave it.
Okay.
Let it grow, that one.
You want to leave this one too?
Yeah. Leave the little ones, let it
There's
grow.
another baby one. There's a lot of babies.
Oh, look it.
And a worm.
How are you? Come on.
Oh, going back
sorry.
in. Look at this. Look at this. What is all this?
That's a good one. That's pretty.
Look at that tree. Hold on. That's a ton all over it.
Nice and dried up.
All over.
That's perfect.
It's a perfect above ground. Oh, my Lord.
Oh, look at all this.
There you go.
This is all
There you go.
over.
That's what you need.
Okay,
One
get ready. Get the
good
bag out.
tree. Now we're gonna
Honey hole.
Honey hole for Reishi.
Oh, gee.
They're not
Let's get
They're not super fresh, but
underneath.
they're
You
not
gotta look at
bad.
that one.
That's fine.
Oh,
These are nice. You brought the coffee set.
oh, this one's wet still.
Yep, because this is just wicking the water up.
Yeah, it is.
Perfectly the way they like it.
I like the dry one, natural dried. already.
Yeah. Oh, this is a. Okay, this thing's got. Look at all these Reishi.
Hiding. Oh, nice.
Ah, nicest one you saw.
Oh.
Sometimes you find a tree like this, just full of it. That's all you need, one tree.
Yep.
Yeah.
But most of the time, we have to go through like this.
Yeah, you get that one big one, you say thank you, and you go home.
Yeah,
I'll come get.
that's what I did. The
Go
one on
find
the
some more.
Facebook, I found one spot.
Let's see, you came back with that
All
whole
that.
pile of them.
All that many.